Hamsters, hope you're having a great weekend. Market liquidations, 250 million hamsters, and meme coins deep. Let's look at the stories that shaped this week in Web3. Crypto markets. The markets. As reported before, they have been struggling this week. A lot of movements on chain, old wallets waking up, moving funds, and hundreds of thousands of liquidations, while Bitcoin slipped to $55,000 and Ethereum fell as low as $2,800. At the same time, it looks like crypto ETF investors have taken advantage of this opportunity. At the end of the week, spot Bitcoin ETFs saw $143 million inflows. Whoa! ETFs. Speaking of ETFs, the highly anticipated launch of Ethereum ETFs is not there yet, and no one knows why. Users and crypto players expected the launch on July 8th, but it didn't fly. Experts still expect the launch to happen this month though. Hamsters Updates. This week was very kind to us. We got a shout out from Telegram's founder Pavel Durov, hit 50 million subscribers on Telegram, and we now celebrate this all with 250 million CEOs. Yes, Hamster Combat now has 250 million users. Whoa! We are so happy and grateful. Justin Sun's Vocal Week. Tron founder Justin Sun was making a lot of comments on what has been going on, even offering to buy out the German authorities' Bitcoin to help the markets. He also expects Tron to become the first blockchain in the world to surpass 1 billion addresses, with the team allegedly working on gas-free transfers for stablecoins. Meme coins. Now to the things you hamsters like so much, meme coins. The truth is, they also struggled this week. Dogecoin's price dropped below its 20-day average, with Papa's liquidations on the rise.
No. Wait.
Meanwhile, Andrew Tate has announced a world tour for his meme coin Daddy, the one he's been pumping. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and remember, hamsters have power. One for all and all for one. See you tomorrow.